Hi, I'm Josh Scroggins. We're here today at Chandler Chevrolet to show you why every shop needs a set of GM adapters designed specifically to lift the 2019 Chevy Silverado and the GMC Sierra pickup. The 2019 Silverado and Sierra feature a wider frame design than prior models, which requires specific adapters to accommodate the truck on existing two-post and in-ground lifts. To make sure your rotary lifts are covered, we have new adapters available for trio, 3-stage, and traditional flip-up style adapters. Each adapter set is specifically designed and tested to provide the correct width and height to perfectly engage the frame, helping to protect the vehicle, lift, and technician. Under the vehicle, you can see how the adapter fits the new GM frame. By contrast, when you look at the standard adapters, it's easy to see why they just won't work. These frames are coming to your shop, and OEM-approved adapters ensure that you're lifting the vehicle correctly and the lift remains as intended. So don't just buy knockoffs and think you're saving. You just uncertified your lift. For more information on GM adapters, visit this website or click the link in the video description.